All right, we're at the McLean's RV Superstore in Fort Worth, Texas. This is the Winnebago. All right, Winnebago Solace. It's kind of like the Travado. So I like these seats. I didn't think they were gonna sit good, but they actually do. You got your little ladder that comes apart, bedding up top. Then you come back down. Oh Lord, this ain't got no TV, y'all. It's nice in here. A nice little refrigerator, a little bit of fridge. I like the egg thing built in there. That's cool. Little freezer. Oh, we got some USB ports here. Nice cooktop. 2 burners. Nice extra space cutting board. I like this little pull outs now. So a little push button. So it's nice. Got all kind of little storage. This locks that in place. Nice faucet, sink. I don't like the color of this Winnebago. Got the cabinets up here. Cabinets up there. This is your bed. Storage space. Storages. This is even storage. Let me show y'all. Storage. Nice. You ready? You found one? 59K? Okay. Table. But Winnebago, you know people can't fit in this little bathroom.
Stop it.
You know that's too little.
Stop
Big booty Judy can't fit. Y'all, I'm just showing a few pictures of the Winnebago Solace from the outside doors looking in. This just shows you the storage areas up underneath the bed, and then here you see the outside of the RV. Now we're moving on to the Winnebago Travado. Here's the Winnebago Travado 59K. Here we're looking in the driver's seat, the cockpit area, the passenger side, and plus I was looking at that traffic on the highway. Because this is off the highway when I've stopped through. Then here, showing what the table looks like right there, where you can do the table. Then over here, I'm just walking through, looking at the new look in the inside of the Travado. Nice refrigerator. Of course, it's small. A nice little pull-out drawer. Be great for seasonings. Right here you can see how tall and nice the faucet is. Beautiful cabinet space, how it's divided. Then more storage space in the cabinet above the kitchen area. Then nice cooktop, 2 burners. And then this right here, he will demonstrate later of how you flip an extended countertop right there. You know, I just had to do this voiceover because I was really clowning. I don't know how to act right, y'all. I don't know. I'm just a joker. I like to joke and laugh and play a lot. So, you know, now I'm just showing you the other parts. These are all the panels up here, the control panels and different things. Then, of course, you can see why I love the 59K, because it does have twin beds that can turn into a larger bed. And now we're going to walk back here to the wet bath. It's not very big, but it is bigger than the Solace bathroom. And it got nice storage space back there. You see the drawer space. Then you get to see this closet space. You can use it as a closet or just a storage space. Put your towels and everything like that. Then you see the bamboo mat down there. Look at the nice mirror. The fold down sink. Nice tall faucet. See that takes up less storage space because it folds up out the way. I was pointing out right there that it was water in there. And see, you get to see the medicine cabinet space. It's a nice little space with a shelf to divide the space up. Nice shower curtain. I was thinking you might could take a shower without closing the doors, but if the wind catch that curtain, water gonna splash out. So probably best to close the shower doors, the bathroom doors. Then you can see there's a sprayer down there that you can use to spray the toilet. I was wondering why they had that shower head on the floor. Nice towel bar racks on the door, and you got curtains that you can fold down to close off those windows so people can't look in while you're using the restroom. Now we walk back through, looking at the beds. Right here you see you can see that it's storage underneath there, and if I had pulled it up correctly, we could see it better. But here you go, a better angle to view the storage underneath one of the beds. I thought it was really neat. I like the way the bed lifts up, and then the slat that's underneath the mattress to kind of circulate some air under there. And then this side over here, it pretty much holds your water tanks and fuses or whatever else. And then it has the part that slides across to make the bed bigger. And you do have just a little bit of storage underneath that bed. Yeah, I was clowning too much, so I just had to go on and extract that audio. But here you'll see me trying to mess with these doors in a moment, and it was kind of funny because, hey, look, I'm pulling on one door thinking that it's supposed to slide all the way across, and then it dawned on me, look, I didn't realize it was two doors, and the salesman sure didn't let me know it was two doors. Ding, 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 ma'am. Pay attention to details. And then you can see the TV with the sound bar right there that's near the doorway. So it'd be nice. You could be able to see it from the beds, and you should be able to see it from the chairs in the cockpit when you turn those around, which is nice. I like the countertops here, and I still was talking about how nice that faucet was and how tall it was. I did not like the plastic look on the walls, the white parts that you see inside of there, because it just seems different than what the Travados used to have. You see how cool that was when he flipped over that extended countertop? Instead of sliding it out, you flip it over and it sits on the magnet parts. Okay, now we're going to walk around on the outside of this Winnebago Travado. See that red just pops. It's just pretty. It's really, really pretty. Can you imagine just having that door open while you're standing there cooking and watching a little TV? Oh man, that would be so nice. And just have your screen closed down. Here's your bike rack, your ladder to get up on top of your roof. Now down here you can see your dumping tanks where you will hook your hose up and pull the little levers to dump your tanks. You see your quick connects for your propane and different things. And I don't know why they put all of that stuff down low for people that's older or handicapped, you know. And this is what the back looks like from the back doors. I don't like how they put that inside to where you fill your tank and how you connect to the city water if you want to stay connected to the water. 59G. With the lithium system. Ooh, that's more. That's like a mortgage payment every month. What the hell? Whew. Come on, let me take y'all in here and look around, baby. Let's look around, baby. Let me pop. See, this 59K ain't bad at all. These seats are so comfy. Y'all, they comfy. TV comes with a sound bar. I don't like the dark color. I don't like that. This little piece of oven where you can store stuff. Well, that's what people call it anyhow. Piece of oven. I like the extended countertop. And then you got your tiny sink. But I do like the faucet. Nice. Here's your little panels around. Cabinet space. I kind of like these little openers. Induction cooktop. I don't like the color of this Winnebago. I need y'all do better. Ooh, look good with that light right there, don't it? This is something new. The Eco Hot for the hot water. Big long. Well, that ain't no long drawer. That's a good size. Storage right there. You can put a slender trash can, y'all. Slender can, baby. You got 3 drawers. A little closet space. Oh look, got a little mirror. Who gonna look? You can't see yourself with the seats right there. What the mirror gonna be for? A little closet space. I like the shelving. That's nice. Or it got a little hanging rod if you take the shelving out. A little regular microwave. Nice fan part right there. Nice fridge space. Got a little drawer down at the bottom of it. Oh, I don't know. I couldn't get this open earlier. Okay, I can't get the freezer. I ain't trying to tear it up, y'all. But the bed is pretty. And the mattress on it was nice and comfy. This leg come down. You unseat belted. You got storage up top. Oh, look at the little light. So you got storage up top. Storage up top. Now you got the little drop down tray for storage. We got the shoe bag, like storage. Got storage over here under the bed. Storage right here. See? Pretty nice. Pretty nice. The shower, it's okay. I love the sink though. I love the new model of the sink. I love the shower head. A little medicine cabinet back there. The toilet space. And I got these little bamboo things. This is kind of like a little storage, I guess, for extra toilet paper or something. Nice little mirror up here. And then the door that come around, it closed nice. You got a little bit of elbow room, not much. Let me show y'all this bed. I'm going to bed. The mattress fold down. Ooh, you see that, baby? And then this kind of like a little step, but I think it should have a grab bar up here. You got to turn around back and sit on your booty and get in there, honey. And you got one window. I like how the blinds, you can pull it down for the blind or pull it up for the nighttime light blinds that dark. But it's a really nice mattress. It was soft to me. I don't know what people be talking about, but I kind of like the white. This white wall is kind of waterproof like. And this is what the back of this one look like. Of course, it got this back here too. I don't like the change in that, because we want to have a door open when you're trying to fill your water tank. Then you got a little storage thing back here. It's not deep. And see, they got a grab handle where you can get in and out back here. Got your hitch and everything down there. I like these covers for the windows. That's nice. Check out this screen that you can just zip. You pull that piece up there down and you can zip it down and around. And look, you got a little 12 volt plug right here. Regular plugs right there. I guess this is a pull handle for pulling the door closed. Got your step ladder. Your tank, pull your tank on it. So you see it. It's where you plug your cord up in. your propane, your sewer hose. Winnebagoes are just nice. I love how the window folds out like this right here. That's neat. Like an awning style window. And of course you have all this floor space that'll be underneath your bed to be able to put a bike or whatever underneath it while it's up. Winnebago adventurer. Hey, don't be interrupting. This is home on wheels, y'all. Home on wheels. It's like a table that can fold out. Oh look, that's a bed that can come down up there. I'm sure this jack nice into a bed. Got a lot of storage down that table. A nice kitchen. It's really nice. Big old refrigerator. Oh, look at the cabinet spaces. Ooh, the closet space. Look at that. Oh, look at the bedroom. Man, now this is what you need if you're full-time. Closet. Drawers. Big old TV. Ooh, nightstand on each side. Nice bed. A pocket door. Well, sliding door. Close the door. Nice mirror in your bedroom. And look at this bathroom, y'all. Ooh, wee. Yes, Lord. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Look, it got ducted air. Me. Look at that. Hey, I think it's another bathroom right here. Oh, look at all them panels. Lord, I wouldn't know what to do with all that. Shit, I'd be lost. Oh, yeah, there's another bathroom. This is like a half bath or quarter bath or whatever you want to call it. Got nice storage stuff in there, though. That's nice. Tile rack built it to the door. That's cool. Put your tiles on. Okay, here's some still shots just to show a closer look at the kitchen, your dining, living area, and of course the beautiful TV and the fireplace. I hope y'all enjoyed these tours of these RVs. Be safe out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments in the comments section. Thank you. Until next time.